Hello, Harry. How are you? Do you have any questions?
I keep seeing this console log thing in tutorials. What exactly is it?
Yes, console.log. It's one of the first things you learn in JavaScript. It's like giving your code a voice.
A voice.
Exactly. When you write console.log, you're telling JavaScript, hey, show me this thing. It prints that message to something called the console, a little window where your code talks to you.
Where do I even find that console?
It's right in your browser. Just press F12 or right-click anywhere and choose Inspect. Then go to Console tab. That's where all the magic happens.
So I can use it to see if my code is working?
That's the best part. You can use console.log to check values, follow how your code is running, or spot mistakes. It's like your personal detective tool.
How do I use it?
Simple. You write console.log, open brackets, and then put what you want to see. For example, console.log and the word hello, inside quotes, will print hello in the console.
Wait, why do I need the quotes?
Good question. Quotes tell JavaScript. This is just text. So if you write hello in quotes, it shows the exact word hello, nothing more.
And what if I forget the quotes?
If you write hello without quotes, JavaScript thinks it's a variable. If that variable doesn't exist, you'll get an error.
Oh, so quotes mean, just show this as it is.
Exactly. And if you write a number like 5, you don't need quotes because it's a value, not a message.
So console.log 5, no quotes, will show the number 5?
Right. And you can also use it for expressions, like 5 plus 3, again, no quotes, and the console shows 8.
But if I put 5 plus 3 in quotes,
then it just shows the words 5 plus 3. It doesn't calculate anything, because the quotes turn it into a simple string.
So quotes equals say it, no quotes equals do it?
Exactly. That's a perfect summary.
I guess console.log is more powerful than it looks.
Definitely. Most beginners think it's just for fun, but real developers use it all the time to test, debug, and understand what their code is doing.
I'm gonna keep it open all the time. If JavaScript had a voice, it would speak through console.log.